What's the meaning of coded? Coded. Coded.
Coded. Coded. Coded refers to the process of converting information or instructions into a symbolic language that can be understood and executed by a computer. This involves using programming languages such as Java, Python, or C++ to create software, web applications, and other digital tools. The result of coding can range from simple scripts to complex programs that power entire industries. It enables the automation of tasks, the processing and analysis of large amounts of data, and the creation of new technologies that shape the way we live and work in the digital age.